Good morning children, hope you all are good. So children, today I am going to explain you about the reflexes. So you know children, reflexes Latin word means reflexes which means reflected or directed back. So you know from the physics subject that reflection term, okay. So reflection is reflection is a phenomena into which when a ray of light pass or strikes in on the plane mirror or any smooth surface, it reflected back, okay, it bounced backward. So the it works this reflex action also, or this reflexes also work as a same way. So there are two types of actions, voluntary and involuntary. We know that voluntary we can control and involuntary we cannot control. So voluntary, few examples are given here. For example, you know, whenever we watch TV, we can by our will only we can press the remote and we can change the channel. And second one is we can eat any fruit, any vegetable whenever we want to eat, okay. The same way we can do any physical activity, or if we want to watch the time, we can look at our watch. So all these actions that we can control are called voluntary actions, and involuntary actions that we cannot control. So you know all the external factor stimulate our sensory nerve, like pain and all, heat and all, you can see in the picture. It stimulate our sensory nerve and the impulses goes into our spinal cord, and it gives signals back, or it bounces back, that impulse is bouncing back and gives signals to our motor nerve. So like this they are making, these impulses are making a arc. This is called reflex arc. So here also you can see reflex arc. So reflex action is then automatic, quick, immediate, involuntary actions which is controlled by spinal cord, as you can see here, okay. These signals are not reaching to our brain, it is controlled by only spinal cord. You should know the sequence of the spinal cord. Sometimes in the exam they are asking the sequence. Now children, as I said, few more examples are given, like whenever any particle or any dust particle goes into our eyes, what we do, we just immediately close our eyes, and tears start coming from our this gland, okay, which is present in our eye. So like the same thing, if we touch any hot object, we withdraw our hand immediately. During this winter season and summer season, we shiver during this winter season, and sweat from the sweat gland comes out during summer season. Same way, when you look in the dark, our eye pupil is therein, so it also dilates, it is also change in the size of the pupil. So these all are the examples which is controlled by reflex actions. Immediately signals are reaching to the this messages are given by spinal cord, not by brain. So here you should remember this structure of the spinal cord. Here you can see gray matter is inside, white matter is outside, and this is nervous pathway. So here receptor, then second one is sensory neuron, then dorsal root ganglion, where here you can see the cluster of nerves are present, then dorsal root, then interneuron or association neuron, where this area binds the sensory neuron and motor neuron all together. So this is the middle part, intermediate part. Then signals reach to the ventral root, this is from this gray matter, then spinal nerve, and then motor neuron. So this motor neuron, this our hand muscles neuron, they get the order from the spinal cord, and immediately we withdraw our hand. So this sequence you should remember. Now there are two types of reflexes. As I said, some are natural or inborn, some are conditioned or acquired. So natural one are, here it is given, they are inherited, okay. We don't want learning into it, so we don't need previous experience, okay. They are purely inborn, they are inherited from our parents. So blinking, coughing, sneezing, these are the protective one. Then functional one is salivation, swallowing, and peristaltic. So these are the functional efficiency. Conditions are acquired we get after an experience. Like your parents are teaching you, like your teachers are teaching you, you have to write this answer like this, or this is the example like I am teaching to you. Parents are teaching you the table manners, how to greet your elders and all. They teaches you about how to ride a bicycle and all, how to use the computer, how to start a computer. So all these are the acquired reflexes. It develops during our lifetime due to the experience or learning. So from the learning, whatever we are doing, how to tie our laces, all comes under conditioned reflexes. Okay children. So one of the main example is watering of your mouth. So you should know that salivation, here also salivation is there in the natural one, and here also conditioned one. Salivation is comes under both the reflex. Okay, so we learn also. So here it is written, as I said, salivation can occur as a natural reflex also and conditioned also. Okay, so a condition definition is given. A conditioned reflex is an involuntary, spontaneous, automatic response brought about due to the previously learned experiences. So if you got to know how to start a computer, you will never forget. Okay, how to ride a bicycle, you will never forget. Okay, because it is conditioned reflex, you have learned it. Okay, so remember this, there are two types of reflexes: natural, which is inborn, and conditioned, which is acquired. So children, today I just explain you this. Just go through the chapter and do the reading.